should trust each other, then gamitan yung resources na meron kami.
Tuna ko doon yung collaboration with other teammates, i-maximize yung resources na limited na binigay sa inyo.
Siguro mag-ano lang ako dito, mag-e-enjoy lang ako na mag-e-enjoy sa direct. Kaya karapat dapat mag-stay.
Hi there, Kanas! This is me again, Sandra, and today we're here at Harold's Hotel for the second batch of Difflix this year's 2023.
All eager to learn, to have fun, and of course competitive. I saw their excitement and how prepared they are to allot their 2 days for this Difflix.
They're having their lunch break at now.
Of course, I took the break time as an opportunity to have some chit-chats with the participants.
Mostly teamwork, then we should trust each other, then gamitan yung resources na meron kami.
Maaga ako natulog para maaga rin magising kasi nga natatakot ako sa consequence na pwedeng pagawa pag na-late. Natutunan ko doon yung collaboration with other teammates, i-maximize yung resources na limited na binigay sa inyo.
I didn't expect na ganun pala ka-challenging yung mga activities dito. Pero I'm hoping na marami pang activities na marami rin kaming learnings na makuha. Talagang mahalaga yung teamwork na kailangan talaga natin pakinggan yung mga decision or yung ideas ng isa't isa para magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang solution sa problem natin.
Ang dami, mas nakilala ko pa yung direct, yung sa mga products nila, sa kung sino yung direct, yung kultura nila, tas yung kung paano sila mag-handle ng employees, ng clients, or customers po. Siguro mag-ano lang ako dito, mag-e-enjoy lang ako na mag-e-enjoy sa direct. Dito kasi sa direct parang ganda talaga ng environment niya. Yung ambient, yung culture, talagang goods. Kaya karapat dapat mag-stay.
Day 1 was full of learnings for the participants. And for day 2, Sir Tennyson Ngo gave remarks and more activities were done. Of course, I won't be spoiling all of the activities, but the best part for me was the last activity for day 2.
Enjoy sobra! Nakakaiyak po! Kaya ang wholesome lang nang nangyari.
Sobrang saya, tapos ang dami ko na-realize, ang daming lessons na binigay sa akin ng mga speakers, and yung mga activities sobrang saya, and ibabalyo ko yung mga memories na nakuha ko dito.
It was very fun. It makes me want to stay for 32 years talaga sa direct. Overall, it was a very fun and exciting event. Looking forward to the next Difflix and to many more events here in direct. Thank you so much.
Seeing the participants in awe, I'm happy that they've enjoyed this 2-day Difflix, and I'm rooting for all of you.